was literally about to go service my route in freaking slippers. Come on now. Alright, so today we're gonna hit up like 6 locations, and all of these should be pretty full. Friday today, so this is gonna be the video going up Sunday. And honestly, I haven't worked all week when it comes to filling up locations. Honestly, this week I've just been selling some of my candy machine stuff, selling my machines, selling a couple candy machine routes, locations. And yeah, it's been a pretty chill week. So far this week, with all my candy machines being sold and some of the route, I've made about $1,500 so far. Now it is time to go fill up some machines and see how much we make today. Just left Sam's Club. We spent approximately $212.11, and I wish I could get products for free. If I could get free products, I'd be freaking rich. It's not the case, obviously. If anyone knows any cheaper suppliers other than Sam's Club, comment them down below. I don't have any soda machines, so soda products don't really help. I just need cheap snacks. On to the first location. We'll definitely make more than $200 today. I'm going to some of my better locations. Hopefully I can get to all of them. But yeah, hopefully we make around 500 today. That'd be perfect. Alright, that last location did pretty good, as you guys could tell. Now I'm heading to location 2, see how it does. That location did pretty good. I didn't film in there, but here is the collection from it. Some coins, some cash. On to location 3. Alright, just got to location 3. Alright, sorry I didn't film that one either, but I just left location number 3, and here's what it did. They've all done pretty good so far. So 3 more left. It's 12 o'clock. Let's get it done. One did pretty good, as you guys can see. Probably the best one so far, but on to location 5. Alright, so we just got home. Actually, it's the next day. Actually, it's Sunday, so we're gonna count up the money and see how much we made off these 5 locations. Alright, location number 1 did $69.05 after 2 weeks. Location number 2 did $69.55 after 1 week. Location number 3 did $64.10 after 2 weeks. Alright, and location number 4 made $104 flat after 2 weeks. And the last location, location 5, made $82.95 after 2 weeks. Now we're gonna add everything up and get you guys the totals. Today we made $389.65 off of 5 locations, which is pretty good if you ask me. If you divide that by 5, $80 average almost. So that's really awesome. Yeah, I think if I remember right, we spent like $200 on products. So that's almost $200 profit, which is super awesome. So that's it for this video. We got Sanders in the background sleeping on his throne. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Oh wait, also I have merch. That's right, I launched merch. I have some merch. Since YouTube isn't monetizing me for some reason, I don't know why, I decided maybe if you guys want some merch, I have that available for you guys. So it's going to be the first link down in the description if you guys want to buy something. Check something out. Take a picture of you wearing it. I'll give you a shout out or something cool like that on my Instagram or my YouTube. And yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.